因为气候暖化，美国国家海洋大气总署讲，全球的漩涡岛已经拄到历史上上严重的白化事件，有47%的漩涡岛受到白化程度的热衰竭。
海水当中原本应该是五灰杂色的漩涡岛，正做单调白色，看开去规片拢是白茫茫的漩涡岛。美国国家海洋甲大气总署 NOAA 指出，全球漩涡岛面临上严重的白化事件。为自2003年1月以来，为大西洋甲太平洋、印度洋有77%的漩涡岛遭受白化程度的热衰竭。
This is the biggest coral bleaching event on record. We've never had a coral bleaching event this big before in terms of, almost 80% of all the world's reefs have had heat stress in the last, year and 8 months, essentially.
因为海洋暖化造成的热衰竭，会互漩涡岛排出沼气当中彩色藻类都发生白化现象。若无这藻类，漩涡岛会变甲正白，较会受枵气甲疾病。啊，毋过毋是死亡，那海洋降温就有机会恢复。啊，毋过科学家进前预测，全球温度升悬1.5度，有90%的漩涡岛会消失，而且温度升悬1.3度，都已经超过无法度恢复临界点。
That we're seeing these impacts much sooner and much more severely than we had anticipated, right? So, I would say 20 years ago, we would always think kind of like, well, 50 years down the road, that's when things are going to get really, really bad, but things are starting to get really, really bad right now. And, we are seeing really, really severe catastrophic impacts in certain locations from single bleaching events, unfortunately.
漩涡岛白化会对海洋健康甲渔业、旅游业带来严重影响，而且全球成分也改变落后模式。一份由经合组织 OECD 制作的研究报告显示，每升温1度，大气当中地流水分类增加7%，引起枯化甲欠水危机。到2055年，欠水危机可能互经济成长下降至少8%，搁互全球一般粮食供应面临风险。公司新闻陈伟真报道。